Ready to smash the piñata? Oh yeah! Oh no, not again! It's the bubblegum challenge! Here are my best friends! Guys, let's do a challenge. We'll pull papers with numbers. And now we have to take gum from a bowl of disgusting things and put it in our mouths. I dare you! Ew! Fine, I'm ready. No, not so fast. The second rule is that you can't use your hands. Oh, goodness! Kelly gets a bowl with worms, but this fearless Amazon nails it. No worms were harmed during the making of this challenge. Good job! It's my turn now. Get gum out of a mysterious soap. This is a 3-week-old gazpacho, but I can easily get my gum. Next, I'll have to take gum out of a sea of mustard. Oh, this is extremely spicy. Poor thing! And now the last player. Me? Fine. What's this? This is just cat food. Ew! Nasty! The gum can't save me from this flavor. I gotta go. This game is called Sour Gum Checkers. Let the tournament begin. I jumped over your piece. If you take a piece away from the board, you have to put it into your mouth. Oh man, this game piece is so sour. It will be pretty hard to win the game. This is the sourest tournament in the history of the world. Poor girls, how are they holding up? This game is a real tearjerker. Phew, I can't take it anymore. You won. I'm on a date with the biggest bubblegum fan. She can find gum anywhere. Waiter! Can I place a special order? I need a burger with a bubblegum patty. Need a lot of gum pieces. Add brown food coloring. Shape a round patty and put it into a burger. Here's your order, ma'am. I love burgers. And what's that? A stretchy patty? It's actually gum. Whoa, that's exactly what I wanted. So delicious. Thanks, Alex. Oh, wow. Right hook, left hook, come on! Alex and Tin love boxing, but they are cheering for different boxers, and that's a reason for a real duel. What are you suggesting? A real manly fight! This is a duel, bro! A duel with bubble gum! Hey, guys! What's going on? Alex planned a romantic evening at home. Honey, I have something special for you. Close your eyes. Wow, I'm already surprised. What? Hubba bubba? What does it mean? Sweetheart, this is a bubblegum challenge. Who can eat a strip of gum faster from the plate? Our dinner is like Lady and the Tramp. The gum brought us together. Oh, this magical moment! Sorry, do you mind? Chewing on the same piece of gum isn't hygienic. My friend takes forever to do her makeup. I'm tired of waiting. She's such a lazy makeup artist. What? Done? What about lipstick? Here it is in the drawer. Which one should I go for? Let fate decide. Guess which hand? This one. Great! This color looks really good on you. Hang on, I forgot the most important thing. This is bubblegum lipstick. You can taste it. Knead out some gum and add red food coloring. Shape lipstick. Cut off a slanted end. Put the lipstick into a clean lipstick tube. Whoa! You ate the whole stick? It looks delicious. I'll taste it too. Ew! My gum tastes like lipstick. And now look in the mirror. I got you, girl. You have to do your makeup faster. Tin and Alex are outstanding artists and are experts. Tin loves graffiti, and Alex says that Picasso is the greatest artist in the world. This art fight will never end. Bonjour, guys! How about proving your talent in real life? Can you recreate the Mona Lisa only using gum? This is a bubblegum challenge for artists. Well, let's go! Art has never seen this much saliva and gum before. They are hard at work. Each one has his own chewing methods and sculpting styles. Look, this is how art masterpieces are born. No one will teach you this in art school. And the gum colors were chosen so well. Artists have such unique world views. Time to share the masterpieces. These pictures are completely different. Alex's has classic pop art notions, and Tin's picture is minimalistic. These Mona Lisas are beauties. Both artists are happy with their masterpieces. And the winner of our competition is Bubblegum! While my friend is taking a shower, I'll arrange a little morning challenge for her. I dare you to brush your teeth with gum instead of toothpaste. Time to brush your teeth. What happened to my toothpaste? Oh no! This is the bubblegum challenge again. I'll have to use this gum. It's super healthy. What a deep blue shade. Welcome to the International Museum of Bubblegum. Our exhibition has different kinds of gum from all over history. Gum masterpieces and gum chewed by important people. Look at this art piece. This is an antique polka dot gum. Add different food coloring to gum. Roll out a piece into a thin layer. Cut out little circles with a straw. Attach little gum circles to a big round piece of gum. Press them in to shape dots. Wow, this is a relic. I want to touch it. Alarm! Security! Attempted bubblegum assassination! Touching gum is against the law and unhygienic. But when night falls, a real bubblegum burglar sneaks into the International Museum of Bubblegum. She knows a lot about bubblegum. So she grabs the most precious one. Hey, security guard, you slept through everything! Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at our rarest artifact. Hang on, I don't understand. Where's the gum? Your visitor is already blowing a bubble using that very gum. Gum is made to be chewed and not for being shown in a museum. Tin is on a special diet. He eats nothing but gum for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Hello, Tin, can you cook me something yummy? I'm on my way. Whoa, now that's a challenge. There's nothing but gum in my kitchen. What can I cook? I'll have to use my imagination. I'll stretch out this gum as much as I can. I can make delicious noodles from Hubba Bubba. I'll get some scissors. And there you go. My pasta al baba is ready. Let's add some liquid gum as sauce so it tastes better. It looks so nice. Enjoy! This is pasta al baba with exquisite blue sauce. No, I don't think I'll eat that. Whatever, I'll eat it all by myself. This is a new kind of sport in our bubblegum challenge. Darts with gum. You have to chew your weapon thoroughly. Aim! Fire!
Woohoo!
The whole wall is dirty, but this is so much fun. Tin is winning. Tin, can you do that with your eyes closed? Easy peasy. Tin is so naive. While he's aiming, I take all the gum. Good luck, champion! Did you like our bubblegum challenge? Then comment below which bubblegum challenge you'd copy. Would you create a picture, play darts, or cook pasta from Hubba Bubba? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new funny challenges from Troom.